How to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. In this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. The first step is to open the Facebook mobile application just like I have done here. After that, tap on the menu icon. It is this icon that appears at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the menu of your account where there are several shortcuts that will take you to different parts of your account. Scroll through the options here. Continue scrolling to the bottom of the screen where you will see other options. From the options that are here, tap on this one named Help and Support. The section expands to reveal more options as you can see. From the options, tap on this one named Report a Problem. As you can see, a menu appears from the bottom of the screen where there are options. What you have to do now is to tap on this button named Report Problem. You will see this other page that has an option to include logs in the report. At the bottom, there are two options. One is included and the other is not included. Tap on the one that reads Don't Include. Finally, you will land on this page has a search bar with a list of different Facebook features. You can either use the search box to type the feature you are looking for, or you can scroll through the different features that are here and look for Marketplace. As you can see, the feature appears here. Go ahead and tap on it just like that, and you will be taken to the Facebook feedback inbox where you are expected to type a short message to Facebook explaining to them what the issue is and ask them to fix it. Make sure you explain to them very clearly. Next, go ahead and tap here, Send, and your message will be sent to the Facebook support team. Give them time and they will respond to you with a solution. Finally, open either the App Store or Play Store depending on the device you are using because this tutorial is the same for both Android and iOS. After that, type Facebook in the search bar and check if the app needs to be updated. If the button that appears here reads Update, then it means you are using an older version of the Facebook app and that may be causing the problem. So go ahead and update the app. After that check, the issue has been fixed. That is how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading.